टीटू टीटू, आप लोग को पता है क्या टीटू कहाँ है? मैं कब से ढूंढ रही हूँ और वो मुझे मिल नहीं रहा। एज ऑलवेज सारा काम करके मेरा गला बैठ गया है और वो निकम्मा निखट्टू पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया। टीटू नॉट अगेन। उठो उठो उठो। हो मेरा इल
क्या कर रही हो पंछी?
ये दिसंबर से लेके अब तक सो रहा है। ये ज्यादा नहीं हो गया? आप लोग उठाइए इसे।
दिसंबर से क्या मंथ कौन सा चल रहा है?
3 दिन बाद फिर से हम लोग को जाना है ऑन स्क्रीन।
हाँ।
तो उसके लिए तुम्हें सारे काम करने हैं फिर से।
हाँ।
थोड़े रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो जाओ अब।
हाँ शिट हाँ। अरे यार मैं दिसंबर से अब तक सोता रह गया।
Exactly,
क्या
yeah.
चल रहा है? अगस्त जुलाई
अगस्त
कितने महीने से?
मतलब जुलाई।
ऑल राइट, तो ये पंछी ने मुझे कुछ 7-8 महीने की नींद के बाद उठाया है और आज मैं उठ गया हूँ और मैं थोड़ी लाइट ले लेता हूँ लाइफ में। एंड आई एम अवेक। टीटू इज हियर, पंछी इज हियर और आप लोग
टीटू इज हियर।
और आप लोग हमें बहुत जल्दी लाइक इन 2 days स्टार्टिंग मंडे दैट इज 31st जुलाई देखने वाले हो ऑन
स्टार उत्सव। ये हमेशा मुझसे पूछता है और मैं भूल जाती हूँ। आई एम सॉरी। और
And
मेरा गला
time?
बैठा हुआ है। 8
8 p.m. on Star Utsav. Don't
Correct
forget,
bola
guys.
मैंने।
8 p.m. on Star Utsav, starting 31st July. That is Monday. This Monday.
And
We
I
are
think इस
coming
बार हमें ये
back.
बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि हम बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे। We
आपने
promise,
सब
I'm
देखा
sure
है।
कि आपको पसंद
तो
आएगा।
आपको अगर अच्छा लगा था जो आपने देखा था तो you can watch it again. It would be a treat. And this time it's not called तू मेरा हीरो. It's called निखट्टू स्टेप करके दिखाओ पंछी। Yeah. Staying strong, huh, guys? Still staying strong. चलो ठीक है. So we'll have a quick chat session with you all. The reason I'm saying quick is because Sonia was sweet enough to come online for this. वो already बीमार है. उसका गला आपको पता चल ही गया होगा एकदम कैसा? कैसे करा था?
ये मेरी नकल कर रहा है। आप सुनिए। मेरी आवाज इतनी बुरी भी नहीं। अगर मैं आप लोग के टीटू को मार
मैं आपके टीटू को मार दूं
तो आप लोग मुझसे गुस्सा नहीं होंगे।
सो ये हाल है मैडम का एंड शी इज वेरी स्वीट टू कम यू नो डिस्पाइट हर थ्रोट आई है मैम चैट करने हम आई एम वेरी हैप्पी मतलब आफ्टर चाहे छोटी स्क्रीन ही सही आई एम शेयरिंग दिस स्क्रीन विद माय पंछी टुडे
Me too.
so like we'll have just a small 5 minutes ka Q&A with you all and Panchi will start. So Nandita is saying hi Sonia, hi.
Hi.
How are you? We are
Hi,
good.
How are you? Hi, I love you.
It's Sunday, not Monday. Kratika, today is Friday. It's 29th today.
29th.
28th, 29th. 29th. It's 29th today. Tomorrow will be 30th, then 31st. So that is today's Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday.
And then
Then
it's
Sunday.
and then it's Monday.
So it is getting telecast on a Sunday.
Monday.
No,
Sunday.
31st is Sunday.
Okay, it's
All right.
Sunday.
So you guys know better than us. So yeah.
एक्चुअली निखट्टू के साथ साथ रह के मैं भी निखट्टू हो गई हूँ तो मैं भूल
All right. I'm very sure because we were having a hard time to start this video. So because of the wrong connection. So there I can see it's a weak connection. So आपको हमारी वीडियो ब्लर आ रही होगी, ऑडियो अच्छा आ रहा होगा.
मैं सिर्फ मिमिक्री कर रही हूँ. सॉरी, बाकी का काम रियाज कर. ये सब करता रहता करना.
क्या? It's okay, they like it. All right. I haven't read it. You've read it.
No.
Sorry, Kratika. You have sent us some screenshot. We haven't seen it. Sorry. Shruti is saying, you remember me? We had to meet in Chennai, but couldn't. Miss you so much. Miss you too, Shruti.
Yeah, Davina, I know it won't come in UK, but then you have Hotstar, right? We'll be there.
Davina, you have seen
Always.
it so many times, yeah, already without. Matlab, we have seen it because of you so many times before it's coming on Star
Yeah.
itself. Manjushri Bhatt is asking something.
Please turn off screen.
No. Yeah.
Manushi, are you bored dating? No, we are not.
No, we are not. Why did we answer like that? Already,
Because
matlab,
we
there's
are
a.
answering every question like that. So we are answering this.
Yeah.
Please turn off screen memory that you do have. We are sharing it already. Okay.
But this will be memory, but
Yeah.
any memory.
Fine, we'll share.
मैं बताता हूँ, ये ना मेरे नेल्स है ना ऐसे, उसके अंदर अपने नेल्स मार मार के मेरे को दर्द देती थी.
क्योंकि ये सबको पिंच करता रहता है सेट पे, और ये मुझे भी पिंच करता रहता था, क्योंकि मैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली सबसे ज्यादा आज मैंने इसके साथ काम किया.
Unfortunate.
Okay, no. तो ये मुझे
She's hitting me, dude.
तो ये मुझे पिंच करता रहता था, तो इसको वैसे पिंच करने से ज्यादा दर्द होता नहीं है, तो इसलिए मैं इसके नेल्स के अंदर पूरा नेल्स डाल देती थी, और तब ये चीखता था और मुझे मजा आता.
Acha, by the way, to all the Sonia fans and Sonia Ansh fans, let me show you. This is Sonia's room. We are sitting in Sonia Balani's room,
But I'm
and you see,
shifting there after
and you
tomorrow,
see.
so
Oh yes,
it's not
this
gonna
would
be my
be
room
the ex
anymore.
room. Yeah, she's shifting to a brand new house, man.
Yes.
And let me tell you that lady out there, like this lady, she is a haunted lady, and Sonia को बहुत डर लगता है.
Shut up.
इसकी आंखें रात को
नहीं, वो
घूमती
haunted नहीं
हैं.
है.
ये देखो
ये
इसको
मुझे
भी
डरा
already
है.
डर लग रहा है. All right. So okay.
ओके, ऑफ स्क्रीन मेमोरी एक ये भी है कि मुझे डराता रहता है बहुत ज्यादा, और आप लोग.
मैं डराता नहीं हूँ, मैं सच बोलता हूँ, और
नहीं,
इसको बहुत डर
सारी
है.
horror
जैसे
movies-
फॉर एग्जांपल मैं बोलता हूँ कि ये जो पर्दा है इसका, इसके पीछे भूत है.
ऐसे मैं नहीं डरती. ओके, रात में सबको डर लगता है. आई एम श्योर आप लोग को भी डर लगता होगा 12 बजे के बाद हॉरर मूवी देख के. सो दैट्स नॉर्मल.
ऑलराइट. वर्निया Timothy Singh.
Do a serial again. Okay, if we'll get one, we'll do it.
She's a pro. You both are so sweet and best. Thank you so much, Nandita.
Waiting for the show.
Yeah, 2 days to wait. That's it.
I can't believe I'm saying it.
Well, I can tell you guys, I was so excited for this chat. मतलब really, I was latestly हो गया. I got stuck in Mumbai traffic and rains. So यहाँ पहुँचते I was getting so excited that both of us will be live, and I'll share a small screen space with Panchi.
What was your first thoughts when you both saw each other for the first time?
That was during a mock shoot, है ना?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he can tell you better.
तू बता तेरा रिएक्शन मेरे को लेके क्या
Okay,
था?
मुझे हंसी आती जा रही थी. As
नहीं
always.
नहीं. The reaction when you saw me as like
जब उसी में तो देखा था.
वो-
अच्छा, तो बिल्कुल for the
First
first time.
person देखा
Okay.
होगा.
मुझे इसके बाल अच्छे लगे थे. वो लूफा होता है ना, मुझे रिसेंटली किसी ने इसको लूफा बोला था ना, एक्चुअली मैं रिलेट कर. वो जो लूफा होता है ना, तो मुझे वैसे इसके बाल ऐसे लगे थे, एंड मुझे यूनिक लगे थे. तो मुझे यूनिक चीज़ें पसंद है, तो आई कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड हिम फॉर दैट. मैंने कहा तुम्हारे बाल बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो ही वाज लाइक एज इफ ही नोज इट ऑलरेडी. थैंक यू.
क्या करूँ यार, आदत से मजबूर. बिकॉज मुझे नहीं पसंद है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था हाँ ठीक है चलो कोई बात नहीं. एंड माई फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वॉज कि मैं इतनी सारी लड़कियों के साथ मॉक शूट कर चुका था, शूट भी कर चुका था ऑलरेडी फॉर द शो, और वो वापस से हो रहा था. तो आई वॉज लाइक यार फटाफट कोई लॉक हो जाए. एंड इस पे काफ़ी होप्स थी काफ़ी सारे लोगों को. सो फाइनल 2 में ये, एंड देयर वाज वन मोर गर्ल. सो So I was like, people were really counting on her.
There were 2 girls in the house.
She and one more. So she 3?
No, me and one more.
Yeah.
Me and one more.
Chupper.
2 girls.
ठीक
Me
है.
and
Let's
one-
moving on. So yeah, what was the first thought? हो गया. अरे यार फटाफट आते जा रहे हैं. We need to quickly rush it up.
Sad. Hello, Ji. Hi. You guys are looking amazing. Thank
Kritika.
you so much. You
कृतिका
both
पिटेगी
looking
मुझसे.
very cute.
बहुत पिटेगी
क्यों?
कृतिका. तंग करती है.
Kritika, not bad. तंग करती है. Will you do any serial again? Please answer.
We did
Yeah,
answer
already answered.
Varnia that yeah we. Panchi said in a nice way. Yeah, okay, we will. ठीक है.
We
If
get
we
one,
get.
yeah. Jumping around.
See, we are also jumping around. We are so happy being T2 Panchi after such a long while.
Yes. I miss you so much.
Shruti is saying miss you so much. Don't say my name and say hi na.
1, 2, 3.
Hi Shruti. Oh God, it's still clicking, yeah, dude.
Gulshan Singh. अरे
अरे,
Gulshan Singh.
गुल्लू जी.
One life. Sorry मेरी आवाज.
Okay, for all the people watching it,
Yeah.
Gulshan Singh is our DOP. He did Tu Mera Hero, and he was the dearest person we had on set in terms of, apart from the actors. So he still is. Me and Gulshan are shooting absolutely adjacent
वो
to
बात
each
अलग है
other.
कि वो मेरी अगेन बहुत मिमिक्री करते थे, ऐसे ऐसे स्माइल करके. मैं ऐसे स्माइल नहीं करती हूँ.
गुल्लू जी ऐसे बोलते थे. पंची जी ऐसे ही करती रहती है. Gullu sir, what's happening? Himanshu Singh is saying loads of hugs to both of you. Loads of hugs and love to you, Himanshu, as well.
Yeah.
Panchi, you can give some kisses to Himanshu. Oh, teri.
Thank you, Sonia, you're so sweet. Thank you so much, Kritika.
Sneha is saying awesome surprise. Yeah, Sneha, thank you.
You guys looking amazing together. Best of luck for future. Thank you so much.
Say it out loud so that they can hear.
Thank you so much.
No, they're reading what you're reading.
Oh, okay.
Sandesh Punhani is saying,
Sonia, love when you are coming to Singapore. Want to meet you. Sure. I would love to come there.
okay, Bali Bhai is here. Utkarsh Bali is here. He's saying, "Kaisa hai chote?" He's my senior from college. Bali Bhai, मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ, and he is again into Indian television industry. And
छोटा बड़ा हो गया. The light is a bit blurred.
Yes, Himanshu, we are aware because it's showing that it's the connection is weak, so we can't help it. Why don't we have any fan?
Because I'm feeling cold.
Oh, sorry.
Shall I switch?
No, please don't. It's okay. So yeah, guys, the connection is weak here. That's why it's like that. Okay, so let's quickly wind it up.
Can I get the TG वाली flying kiss?
TG वाली flying kiss?
कौन सी?
कौन सी थी हम भूल गए?
ऐसे
नहीं
करते
flying
हुए?
kiss नहीं flying kiss.
नहीं मैं मुझे ऐसे सुनते
TG वाली I don't know.
Super show की पे
Bali Bhai saying super show. Thank you bhai. Bali Bhai, thank you.
Sonia and Raj दोनों reply कीजिए please. For whom do you think has more fans and are also pagal like me?
Huh? For whom do you?
We didn't get
We
your
didn't
question.
get your question,
sorry.
Shruti. Abha Gupta is saying hi, Abha.
Hi Abha. Saida Sana. Awesome, surprised you both. Looking. Thank you.
All right. So, what do you think, guys? Shall we wind it up now?
Yes.
Sneha is saying.
Sneha
love
Roy, love you both. We love you too.
you. Please say I love you too. Love you too. अच्छा sorry मैं नीचे पढ़ रहा था. I both are so cute.
Nidhi Joshi, you both are so cute. Thank you so much.
Huh? Davina is saying please say I love you to each other. I'm dying to hear.
Davina,
I love you, Panchi.
I love you Titu.
Alright, Davina is happy. Yay! Davina is happy. Yay, Davina.
Kritika, I'm dying for Priyansh. This beat me.
Huh? I'm dying.
dying for Priyansh.
For this, please beat me.
I'm dying.
अच्छा मैंने कहा ना मैं
For this.
मारूंगा मैं मारूंगा.
Okay, I'm dying for
ये
this.
देख, ये
Please
देख,
beat me.
ये
Okay,
देख,
okay.
ये देख. बहुत
अच्छा,
पागल है.
Oh, ठीक है.
कृतिका
चलो ना. Next time coffee date की जगह ये वाला date होगा. My wish is being fulfilled. Yay, thank you.
Davina, my wish is to see you soon. I really wish to see you soon. I hope I get to see you. And I hope, Davina, you're watching the show which is on Sony. And I really hope that you like it.
A good question. Harishma, Titu and Abhishek are totally different from each other. Which is your favorite, being responsible or irresponsible and laid back character? Nice question.
I think Sonia should answer this. What do you think?
My favorite is Titu. I'm being biased, I'm sorry. So I don't know about him.
पंछी जी को अगर टीटू पसंद है तो टीटू ठीक.
Thank you.
So I don't know, yeah, both are characters and both have equal importance, and I'm happy because both are different. So I think that's where I should end it. That yeah, I did that was wonderful. I'm doing this, it's different and it's wonderful. So because of the difference, both are wonderful. So I can't pick and choose one. And Sonia,
दोनों का I think कुछ चीजें
Yeah,
बहुत
yeah,
अच्छी हैं. कुछ
yeah.
अभिषेक की, कुछ उसकी. Davina, love you.
and मेरे चैट के टाइम पे देख मेरे कर्ली बाल हो गए वापस से पंछी.
Lupa.
वापस लूपा आ गया.
Abha Gupta, oh my god, Sonia, I love you a lot. Looking wonderful. Thank you so much, Abha. Mr. Joda, I'm big
Fan of you.
fan of you.
Please reply me.
Fun.
Kaur Harry is saying that. So hi Kaur Harry, thank you so much for the love and keep it coming.
Ekta, Priyansh, your new show is awesome. Yes.
Thank you Ekta.
Abha, thank you so much for this. Keep smiling and I'll see you. Sorry. Do good. Sorry.
Keep smiling and
And to see you, I will so. sorry,
typing
push-
error, right?
push
It's
type.
alright. Davina is saying, how far do you live from each other? Not at all. We live in each other's hearts. What? She's see.
He's a big plant. I think इतना आपको पता चल गया वैसे.
क्या पंची टीटू की बात हो रही है यहाँ
Oh
पे?
shit, sorry. I thought आप सोनी अंश की बात.
क्यों एक मिनट
वैसे
नहीं.
सोनी अंश का ही पूछ सकते हो ना आप घर आसपास है या नहीं.
हाँ.
टीटू पंची का घर तो
तो
एक ही
साथ
घर
ही
में
था.
था.
तो एक सोनिया अंश का क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
हाँ, okay.
ऐसी है ये भाव नहीं देती कभी. She's like है. गौरव घेरा बन गई है. हाँ जी. गौरव, I love you so much.
उत्कर्ष बाली keep rocking.
Yo बाली भाई, Amity power.
नंदिता.
अच्छा मेरे को याद है हम ना नारियल उत्कर्ष was like a full लीडर टाइप्स बंदा. उत्कर्ष बाली कॉलेज में भाई हमारे. So हम we used to shout those slogans. हमारा नेता कैसा हो, उत्कर्ष बाली जैसा हो. It was too much fun.
हमारा नेता कैसा हो, टीटू जैसा बिल्कुल ना हो. टीटू जैसा, प्रियांश जैसा नहीं बोला मैंने.
She's trying to be funny. जोक्स मारने की कोशिश कर रही है. अभी आगरा से आई है ना, प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ी.
मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इससे अच्छा है, आपको धीरे धीरे पता चल जाएगा.
Alright, let's end it. इसकी थ्रोट इससे पहले एकदम खत्म हो जाए. Thank you for such a beautiful surprise.
You made my ear. Oh, yeah, nice. Mr. Jora, not clear video. I'm sorry. Oh, thanks Sonia for your kisses, and Priyansh, I'm a bit upset with you because you didn't reply to my message which I sent you personally.
Sorry
Very
Manshu,
soon,
I must not. I must have not read it. अगर मैं पढ़ता हूँ तो मैं reply करता हूँ. Shruti Singh, oh so cute.
My parents are seeing me going mad, and I'm in the same excitement when you asked me to come. तुम ही पढ़ लो तुमसे sorry.
Love you. Cora saying Pooja has it's a new person here. Hey and sister Divya, watching you and sending lots of love to you both. Thank you Pooja and your sister. Love and hugs to you. Prashant is saying hi Prashant. Okay, Sneha is excited for Sonia's film and she's saying
complimenting him for his
for my show. Thank you so much
Thank
Sneha.
you so much.
And even I'm excited. I'm waiting for her film. Prashant just क्या हो गया? हो गया? होता रहता है. Love to see you back. Yeah, hi Nidhi. Hi Sachdya. Hello.
Shivani so much.
What? Prashant is saying, Acha, love you and Shivani.
so much.
We are, it's Sonia here if you are mistaken, but yeah, if it's for Shivani, then I'll convey your message, Prashant. And you can watch Shivani on Kasam, we started yesterday.
मुझे time मत
Every day, Monday to Friday, 10 p.m. on Colors. So Shivani, you can watch her there.
Imanshu, this was the message which I didn't.
We have seen Sonia Anshu on live chat. We won't let you go so quickly. Hey. Davina, shut up. Alright. Cor Harry has given us permission that you're free now. Go.
Can Priyansh act like Sonia?
I can act like Sonia, like always I can act like. And Sonia can act like Priyansh, I don't know. So Sonia would go.
Shut up! No! मैं ऐसा कभी भी नहीं करती हूँ.
Alright. चलो.
प्रियांश का कुछ नहीं याद आ रहा. I'm sorry. मैं फ्लर्ट कर सकती हूँ.
Davina, your wishes won't end ever. What?
Nothing.
यार ये पागल है यार, इसने मेरे को ना
मजाक कर रही हूँ.
मेरे पे काले ठप्पे, काले कलंक लगाए हुए मेरे ऊपर.